I was working yesterday, heard some screams down below, thought it was something really important, and as I ran downstairs I could hear the word papagaio, papagaio, which means parrot in Portuguese. So, as you do, as any good loving father and husband, you get the camera, you turn your phone on to capture these important moments. Stay still, come here. Calm down. He's hurt himself. Okay, step, calm down. Calm down, step away. Calm down, step away. Okay, everybody calm down. Where is he? I don't want him to hurt himself. Pass him the box. Pass him the box.
Eu vou voar.
It's okay.
Ele pertence a alguém. E
Okay.
agora? E
I
assim?
got him in here. Pass him the box.
Posso comprar uma jaula?
You got the lid.
Hã?
You have the lid. Put the lid on. He's holding on. Let go, baby. Lift up, lift up. Why is there a parrot in our house?
I don't know.
Okay, so we've managed to find him a home at a bird sanctuary up the road, which are kind of blessed they actually have one here on the island. So I'm going to show you how my eldest is dealing with the situation. Hello.
Hi.
Is it din times?
Yeah.
I think we could say he's gotten used to you, hasn't he, Luna?
Yes. He didn't get used to me yet.
No, because you run away all the time.
Because he attacks me. No.
He doesn't attack you, he's not a hawk.
Oh, what are you trying to do? Don't go underneath me.
So how do you feel, Luna, knowing he's going to go to a sanctuary?
I feel happy, but a bit sad that he'll be
Me
away.
too.
Well, we don't have a cage for him, do we? And even if we did, the cages that we'll get are not big enough for him. You want something massive.
Yeah. And also kind of sadly go, but we can go anytime to the sanctuary to see him and he'll live a better life in there with
Exactly.
the other birds.
He is beautiful though, isn't he?
He has some orange, a bright orange, some yellow, some orange, yellow, and
He has a
green.
lot of blue in his wings as well.
Okay, get a
It's
footage.
not blue.
How many times has he pooped on you yet?
Only once. This has really got him there.
He did not prove to me any time.
Yeah, because he was running away. Time for him to go to his new home?
Yes.
Lead the way. So he's going to his new home then. Happy now? So the tag that he has on his foot is a number which represents an owner. So they found out saying, has anybody delivered or handed in the bird? And there you go, perfect.
Ela tem a documentação do passarinho e tem que trazer a documentação ao mesmo tempo. Está bem?
Que idade ela tem? Ou ele?
Isso é difícil. Este é deste ano.
Ah, então é novinho.
Este é deste ano. Este é deste ano. Ah, não sei. Isto tem que tirar a parte de trás do rabo para fazer sexagem. Demora uma semana. Não, isso são as penas.